Steve, you're here exhibiting at STEELFAB on the Great Britain and Northern Ireland, what should we call it, stand around here?
Yes.
Village, whatever you want to call it. Is it good for you?
It is good for us. Great being with other British exhibitors too, swapping notes, stories and guidance on what to do, what not to do, get the most from the show.
What brings you here? What do you do at your Cambridge Vacuum?
Cambridge Vacuum Engineering, we manufacture electron beam welding machines. So we've got various examples of components that our customers weld. Our machines are a little too large to bring to the booths. So we have examples of components that we've welded. Mainly here we're exhibiting the thick section steel welding using ebb flow, which is a process that we've developed in association originally with the TWI, the Welding Institute. And we've taken it out of their hands and bringing it to commercial market.
So is this going to be a big market for you then here?
It takes electron beam welding, which is traditionally done in a vacuum chamber, which is quite restrictive. We can now weld structural steels, much larger parts, by just having a local vacuum.
So when you look at the Middle Eastern area, is the construction industry something that would be of an attraction to you?
Definitely. We've got good coverage in other parts of the world, but not in this particular area. So we've got to come here and exhibit, got to meet people, find agents and network generally, and this is the ideal opportunity.
When you look at the British Pavilion, there's a lot of stands here, isn't there? I mean, when you take the whole exhibition, we've actually got quite a footprint.
It's a very good representation indeed, and a broad spectrum. It's very good.
Good stuff. Enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you very much, Steve.
Pleasure.